So many crimes in our community are related to alcohol and drug use and abuse.
It wasn't long after I became public defender that I realized many of our clients had more than just legal problems. They had addiction and mental health issues as well.
Before I was a judge, I was in private practice, and before that, I was a prosecutor. When I became a judge, I saw the same defendants that I had charged as a prosecutor and then later defended as a private attorney. Now they're back in court again, being sentenced for new drug-related charges or because they had failed at probation.
Many addicted offenders who go on probation will violate the terms of their probation by failing a drug screen or by committing a new offense. If they don't get treatment on their own or by court order, the odds are against them.
We had to do something about this revolving door. The cost to our justice system, our taxpayers, and in lives was just too high.
The good news is that recovery court programs were starting to spring up all over America. Judge Easter, along with a team that included our district attorney and public defender, researched how the very best drug courts worked and then secured a 3-year grant from the United States Department of Justice to establish our 21st Judicial District Drug Court in 2002.
Our drug court is an alternative sentencing program that gives local, nonviolent offenders with addiction issues the opportunity to complete an intensive 2-year court-supervised recovery program.
It's not an easy out for offenders. In fact, it's more demanding than simply serving a sentence or going on traditional probation.
Drug court participants must undergo rigorous treatment for their disease and develop new habits for successful living. For the first year, every participant is drug tested at least 3 times a week and must attend at least 3 AA or NA meetings every week.
In addition, every drug court participant must attend a minimum of 3 hours of group or personal counseling treatment every week for at least 2 years. They must see their case manager or probation officer weekly until the final phase. They must keep current on their fees and make progress toward their court costs and any restitution due their victims.
Our drug court program costs less than 1/5 of what it would cost to incarcerate an offender for the same period of time. Drug courts save money, and they also transform the lives of offenders and their families.
Nationwide, a majority of offenders released from jail are rearrested, but 75% of drug court graduates remain arrest-free for at least 2 years. These numbers are good, but the real story is changed lives.
So far, more than 100 participants have graduated from our program and have gone on to become healthier, more productive members of our community.